If you're looking for a pool liner that makes a statement without feeling overdone, this is a great example of our Neo Black Slate liner pattern. It's a bold, modern liner that uses deep slate and charcoal tones to create a rich, dramatic watercolor. Once the pool is filled, you get incredible depth and contrast, especially in the sunlight. It's a look that really elevates the entire backyard. One thing homeowners often wonder is how everything comes together, especially around the stairs. In this pool, the vinyl over stairs were welded on site, but can also be done in-house, depending on personal preference. For areas like stairs and tanning ledges, we also offer a textured version of Neo Black Slate, along with most of our other liner patterns, that provide extra grip while maintaining the same bold, modern look. All of our liners are manufactured using our InvisiSeal welding technology, which creates stronger, cleaner seams than traditional welding methods, and are designed to blend in visually once the pool is filled. This means you won't have those tacky, white seam lines, especially on darker liner patterns. The goal is simple: less distraction, more focus on the water and overall design. Neo Black Slate is a popular choice for homeowners who want a modern, high-end look that still feels timeless. Think of it as bringing some of the beauty of Muskoka right into your backyard. If you're comparing vinyl liner options, seeing an installed pool like this is one of the best ways to choose confidently. Have a look at some of our other liner pattern videos and be sure to ask your pool professional for a Highbury Pools liner.